Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm unboxing the February Simply Earth recipe box. Okay, so the first time you get your recipe box, and then every 6 months after, you also get this big bonus box. That's what it's literally called, and that's what it is. It's this big box of coconut oils and bottles. So I'm going to share that with you first, and then I'll open the recipe box with the oils in it from this month. So if you aren't familiar, this will be helpful. I don't know if the beeswax was in there. So you get this huge box, and then you get little coupon codes too to share if you want to share with your friends and family. But this is what's in it. So this top is empty essential oil bottles, and you'll see in a minute I'll share you make different blends each month, so you'll need empty bottles. I'll show you up close too. You get rollers, coconut oil, just a lot of the things that you'll need. This is the empty bottle, so it comes like this, and then you fill it up. Once you screw this back on all the way, it'll seal and then just be an essential oil bottle. These are the rollers. It's hard to get these out of here. I'll show you this first. This is the solid coconut oil, a big old container of that. That in a lot of recipes you like melt that down and make different various things. These are the roller bottles that have little rollers on the top that you fill and dilute to roll on topically when using oils. There is a coconut oil and an almond oil. These are both carrier oils that are used a lot in different things. So it's nice to get this every 6 months because you do go through these quite a bit. There are 6 of these essential oil bottles, and you make one a month, so every 6 months you'll need a new one. So that is the big bonus box, and if you use my code, which will be down below, and I'll talk about it later too, you get that box and you also get $40 back in a gift card to use at their on their website. So it's really a really good coupon code. Okay, so this is the regular monthly recipe box. You get 4 essential oils and then recipe cards and things to make your recipes. This month's theme is skincare, I think. Did I get that right? See, it's a different theme each month. It's seasonal. Simply Earth February theme is skincare, which if you have been following me for a long time, you guys know I love skincare. I used to be a beauty blogger, just that's how I started with my blog and Instagram and doing like makeup tutorials and beauty content only. So I obviously use natural things now. I make a lot of my own beauty products, and so I'm really excited about this month. I always get new ideas. They don't have like general... Hi, Zara. You want to say hi? This is Zara. And it's funny because my oldest daughter, Emery, is 5.5 now, almost 6, and she used to film with me all the time, and Zara is just more independent, and so she's on her own a lot and just plays, but Emery was always with me filming videos. Can you go sit down now or go play your game for a minute? Okay, so the theme is skincare, and I cannot be more excited. Oh, what I was going to say is they don't give you, like, the recipes you get are not like the ones that you're going to Google or Pinterest search and get. They're like unique, and they're formulated by aromatherapists, and so they're legit and they're really good, and you will not be disappointed. Okay, I'll share the oils with you first, and then I'll share the recipes and go from there. This is a different lavender than I've seen. It is Bulgarian lavender. Let's see. So it's still Lavandula angustifolia, but it's from Bulgaria. Fresh, floral, and fruity from the flowers. Simply Earth's bottles have lots of information. And I recently got the question, are Simply Earth essential oils pure? And to answer that, yes, they are. They are legit. They are sourced well, and I'll be doing a comparison video soon. I just started using Revive. I also use Plant Therapy and Young Living, so I like to compare different brands a lot, and I only use the ones that I, after all of my research, have found that are legit and good oils, and Simply Earth is that. Oh, this smells really good. It is not as sweet and not as buttery as other lavenders that I've smelled before. It is definitely more of a floral lavender. I love it. I love that it's different. Okay, next oil, Peru Balsam. So this one is from Central America. It's from the bark, and it is pleasant and vanilla like it says. So let's, ooh, I haven't opened this one yet. Let's see. Ooh, this smells really good. It is like kind of like a vanilla bean kind of smell. It smells really good. It has a different kind of top, so I'm assuming it's going to be like a thicker oil. Usually they come like that when they're really thick. This smells super good. I'm surprised I haven't tried this one yet. The next one is Palmarosa, which I love and I use in skincare already, so I'm excited that this is in here. This is sharp and floral. This is from Nepal. Palmarosa, to me, when I first tried it, smelled like tea, like black tea, like iced tea. Yep, it still does. It smells like tea. It smells good. It's like light and floralish. No, it says sharp and floral. To me, it's like light though. It's not pungent, like super strong. And it smells good. I like it. It's kind of like leafy. Palmarosa. And then the next one, this fourth oil is a blend. So this is called Clear Skin. This is tea tree, sandalwood, cedarwood, juniper berry, and lemon. All really good skin supporting oils. Love that. Every month you will get a blend. So it's just a combination of single oils. It smells very much like tea tree, but I also get kind of like the calming of the sandalwood, cedarwood. It smells good. I mean, it doesn't smell great. It's tea tree smells, you know, super strong. So it's not like one you're going to want to diffuse, but that's not its purpose. Anyway, so next I'll share the recipes. So the first one is Candy Hearts Diffuser Blend. That's cute, perfect for Valentine's Day. You always get a diffuser blend, like I said, to mix up in one of those empty bottles. So really you're getting 5 essential oils, basically, once you're done with your recipes. Ooh, something spilled in this. It's all over. Blemish Soother Roll-On. So I'm assuming this is going to be for like breakouts, problem skin. This is lavender, palmarosa, almond oil, and then you mix it up in a roller bottle. On the back of each card has more information, so make sure you read front and back too. This one just has kind of a summary of the other oils, all of the oils. A little bit more safety information, which they give you so much information and resources and support. They are just really down to earth. They don't want to just sell you essential oils. They want to help you use them, and they are affordable, like super affordable, which I love because that's one of the main issues when I share Young Living, is that people just don't want to pay that much, and I don't really blame you. So I love that these are affordable. See, blemish. Okay, the back of this one, they give 13% back to help fight or to help end human trafficking. You can read all about that on their website. They have a lot of information there. And then the next recipe is Clear Skin Jelly Face Mask. We all love a good face mask. It's such a good like self-care. I like to do my self-care on Sundays, so I like to do face masks. I usually just do like a bentonite clay mask, but this is cool for a little bit of a different like type of thing. So it's the Clear Skin almond oils, xanthan gum, I can never pronounce that, which comes in this box, and then distilled water. The next one is a bifacial, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, facial cleanser. This is exciting, a cleanser. So this is water, glycerin, the body wash base, which you get, I'm assuming this is similar to like Castle soap maybe. So you get a little bit of that, almond oil, fractionated coconut oil, the Clear Skin oil, and the Palmarosa. And then you put it in a 2-ounce bottle. So cool. I love that because I feel like that would be super cheap also to like maintain and use a DIY cleanser. I haven't even thought about that. I make my own body wash, but that's cool. Sugar Goop Body Polish. I love scrubs. I cannot not use scrubs in the winter. It just makes such a difference with dry skin. So this one is the body wash base, water, xanthan gum. Tell me if I'm pronouncing that wrong. Glycerin, almond oil, Peru balsam, and lavender. Oh, and sugar for the scrub. And then I'm sure you just mix that up in a jar. Lavender Love shower gel. I do make my own, like I said, body wash, so this is good. I love that this is in here. Let's see. So this one is the xanthan. I feel like it's a xanthan gum. Glycerin, the body wash, water, lavender, and then balsam Peru balsam. Cannot speak. Okay, so those are the recipe cards. Here's the body wash base. Something spilled. I'm thinking it was that. And then there's glycerin. No, maybe it was the glycerin that spilled. That's a shame. That's really thick and sticky. Okay, there's the glycerin. Just put that down there. Here is this. The xanthan gum, xanthan gum, however you want to say that. And then you get cute little labels for everything, which I love. So here are the stickers. These are for the tops of the bottles. Love that, especially for travel, if you store your essential oils in like a drawer. And the diffuser blend and just everything you need to label everything that you make up, which is super important because when I first started with oils, I would just make stuff, and then like a year later I would go through my drawers and be like, what the heck is this? And not remember what I did. And you can go by smell some of the time, but you really need to label everything. So these are the cards. So I wanted to point out too, these are like cute and very sturdy, so they're gonna last you, and they also have a box on their website that fits them, so you can kind of store, which I still need to get, I keep forgetting. But yeah, that is the box. Let me see if I can find the value. I love sharing that because this box is $39 every month, and your first time you get everything. So if you sign up right now today for February, you get everything I showed you today. That big bonus box, you get $40 back, which is amazing. And the value of this month is $123, which is usually between $100 and $200. It's crazy. Like, once you become a subscriber to the recipe box, you get access to an essential oils hero course, which is a really, really big value. I think it's like $200 or something dollars. But it's basically like just a little crash course in giving you like the safety and tips and like all the different ways to use oils properly. I'm really excited to get in and use make my shower gel and that little roller. I get little blemishes monthly, and so I always need something like that on hand, and I love that too because it's really nice to just throw a roller like that in your purse. Cleanser, I am also super excited to make. My face is very sensitive to like fragrance and weird ingredients, so that's why I use natural skincare and natural products now. So I'm excited to make my own. I love that. I shared a reel on my Instagram making a CBD night oil, so it has CBD and like some of my favorite essential oils for rejuvenating and renewing your skin. But I've always like gotten CBD skincare products, but I've never made my own, so that was exciting. So if you're interested in that, go take a peek. If you guys have any questions on Simply Earth, just let me know in the comments, or you can DM me on Instagram too. I'm always here to help, always willing to answer any of your questions, so let me know. Let me know what you're most excited for in this month's box, and I thank you so much for watching today to the end. I hope you have a great day. Bye. Okay, bye.